Unmasking hackers, the good, the bad, and the ugly. This video is for educational purposes only. Yo, what's up everyone, it's Seth, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of hacking. But hold on, before you hit that unsubscribe button, this isn't your typical tech tutorial. We're talking about the different types of hackers, from the good guys in the white hats to the straight-up bad actors in the black hats and everyone in between. We'll break down each type, exploring their motivations, tactics, and the impact they have on our digital lives. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a concerned citizen, or just curious about the people behind the screen, stick around, because this is going to be interesting. First up, let's talk about the good guys, the white hat hackers. These are the ethical hackers, the cybersecurity professionals who use their skills for good. Think of them as digital superheroes, constantly on the lookout for vulnerabilities. But instead of wearing capes, they wield lines of code and powerful software. They hack into systems with permission, exposing weaknesses so they can be patched up before the bad guys exploit them. They're the ones running penetration tests, basically authorized simulated attacks to see how robust a company's security really is. They're also involved in developing security tools, educating others about cybersecurity best practices, and advocating for a safer online world. White hat hackers are essential in today's digital landscape, constantly battling against the bad actors to keep our data, our privacy, and our online experiences secure. They're the unsung heroes of the internet, working behind the scenes to make sure we can browse, shop, and connect with peace of mind. And the best part? They're constantly evolving, always learning new techniques and adapting to the latest threats. They're in a constant arms race with the black hats, but their dedication and expertise are crucial in keeping us one step ahead. So, next time you hear about a major data breach that was prevented, or a critical vulnerability that was patched, you can thank a white hat hacker. They might not wear capes, but they're definitely the guardians of the web. Now, on the flip side, we have the black hat hackers, the antagonists of the cybersecurity world. These are the malicious actors, the ones driven by personal gain, revenge, or simply the thrill of wreaking havoc. They exploit vulnerabilities for their own benefit, whether it's stealing sensitive data like credit card information, holding systems hostage for ransom, or disrupting critical infrastructure. They're the ones behind those annoying spam emails, phishing attacks, and malware infections that can bring your digital life to a screeching halt. Black hat hackers operate in the shadows, constantly seeking new ways to bypass security measures and exploit weaknesses. They often work in organized groups, sharing resources, expertise, and malicious code. Their motivations can vary, from financial gain to political activism, but their actions can have devastating consequences. Data breaches can lead to identity theft, financial ruin, and reputational damage. Ransomware attacks can cripple businesses and critical services, costing millions of dollars in damages. The threat from black hat hackers is constantly evolving, with new attack methods and sophisticated malware emerging all the time. It's a constant cat and mouse game, with cybersecurity professionals working tirelessly to stay one step ahead. So, while we rely on technology more than ever, it's crucial to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect ourselves. Strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and up-to-date software are just some of the basic measures we can all take to mitigate the threat from black hat hackers. Now, things get a little more complicated when we talk about gray hat hackers. They don't quite fit into the neat categories of white hat or black hat, often operating in a legal gray area. They might hack into systems without permission, but not necessarily with malicious intent. They might expose vulnerabilities to bring attention to security flaws, but not necessarily follow ethical disclosure practices. Think of them as digital vigilantes, taking matters into their own hands, sometimes for the greater good, sometimes for their own amusement. They might publicly shame companies with poor security practices, or leak sensitive information to expose wrongdoing. Their actions can be controversial, often sparking debates about ethics and legality. Some argue that they play a valuable role in exposing vulnerabilities and pushing for better security, while others criticize their methods and potential for collateral damage. Gray hat hackers highlight the complexities of the cybersecurity landscape, where the lines between right and wrong can be blurred. While their intentions might be noble, their actions can have unintended consequences. It's important to remember that hacking into systems without permission is illegal in most jurisdictions, regardless of intent. So, while gray hat hackers might capture headlines with their exploits, it's crucial to approach their actions with a critical eye. Chapter 4. Script kiddies, all bark, no bite. Let's be real, not every hacker is a coding genius. Enter the script kiddies, the newbies of the hacking world. They use pre-built tools and scripts from the darker corners of the internet. Think of them as using cheat codes in a video game. They might launch DDoS attacks or deface web pages. While their skills are limited, their actions can cause real damage. Remember, using hacking tools without permission is illegal. The script kiddie phase can be a stepping stone to ethical hacking. It's crucial to guide them towards a path of ethical hacking. Chapter 5. Now, let's talk about the newcomers, the green hats, the ones just starting their journey into the world of hacking. They're eager to learn, hungry for knowledge, and driven by a passion for technology and cybersecurity. They might be students, hobbyists, or professionals from other fields, all drawn to the challenge and intrigue of ethical hacking. They're the ones devouring online tutorials, attending workshops, and experimenting in virtual labs, constantly expanding their skill set. They're not afraid to ask questions, to make mistakes, and to learn from their experiences. They understand that becoming a skilled ethical hacker takes time, dedication, and a commitment to continuous learning. Green hats represent the future of cybersecurity, the next generation of professionals who will be responsible for protecting our digital lives. They bring fresh perspectives, innovative ideas, and a passion for making the online world a safer place. It's crucial to nurture their enthusiasm, to provide them with the resources and guidance they need to thrive. Mentorship programs, ethical hacking competitions, and online communities can all play a vital role in shaping their journey. So, if you're a green hat just starting out, embrace the learning process, connect with others in the community, and never stop exploring the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. Chapter 6. Let's not forget the blue hats, the internal security professionals working tirelessly behind the scenes to protect their organizations from cyber threats. They're the defenders within, the guardians of sensitive data, the ones responsible for building and maintaining secure systems. They might be security analysts, penetration testers, or incident responders, all working together to identify vulnerabilities, mitigate risks, and respond to security incidents. They're the ones implementing firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and other security measures to keep the bad guys at bay. Blue hats are often brought in before a product launch or a major system update to conduct thorough security assessments and identify potential weaknesses. They work closely with developers and other IT professionals to ensure that security is baked into every stage of the development lifecycle. They're also responsible for educating employees about cybersecurity best practices, conducting security awareness training, and promoting a culture of security within their organizations. In today's interconnected world where cyber threats are constantly evolving, blue hats play a crucial role in protecting businesses, governments, and individuals from the potentially devastating consequences of cyber attacks. Chapter 7. Finally, we have the red hats, the vigilantes of the digital world, the ones who take down black hat hackers and often operate outside the bounds of the law. They're driven by a strong sense of justice, a desire to fight fire with fire, and a belief that sometimes you need to fight dirty to win. They might hack back against attackers, launching their own counteroffensives to disrupt their operations and retrieve stolen data. They might expose the identities of black hat hackers, bringing them to justice through public shaming or by providing evidence to law enforcement. Red hats operate in a moral and legal gray area, often employing tactics that are considered illegal in many jurisdictions. Their actions can be controversial, sparking debates about vigilantism, ethics, and the rule of law. While their intentions might be noble, their methods can be unpredictable and potentially dangerous. Hacking back, for example, can escalate conflicts, lead to unintended consequences, and put innocent parties at risk. It's important to remember that even with the best intentions, taking the law into your own hands can have serious consequences. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the diverse world of hackers. It's a complex landscape with a spectrum of motivations, ethics, and skills. From the white hats protecting our digital lives to the black hats exploiting vulnerabilities and everyone in between, understanding the different types of hackers is crucial in today's interconnected world. It's like the tech world's version of a good versus evil movie, but with a lot more code and a lot less explosions. But seriously, ethical hacking is a growing field, and it's more important than ever. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the world of tech. Peace out.